Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is the 19th video as part of our series of video on power of reporting of TallyPrime. So in this video, we will explore couple of registers that Tally provides and how we can apply certain techniques to analyze the data or to view the data with more variation of configuration that is available. Let us go to Tally and explore the registers that are available in TallyPrime. To ascertain the information of a voucher, in our earlier videos, we have seen that we can view through financial statements, daybook, ledgers, group summary, and group vouchers. Tally provides another variant to view the data. This is now through voucher type. We can now view information of a voucher through their respective voucher types. Let us explore registers related to voucher types. To view voucher type registers from the gateway of Tally, click on Display More Report, select Accounts Book, and now under Accounts Book, we have these registers. We can select any voucher type to assess the transaction forming part of that voucher type. Let us select Payment Register. The hotkey is Y or click on Payment Register. You will now notice that monthly stat of number of vouchers are displayed. If you notice, we can view the statistic or the number of cancelled vouchers for each month also. Let me select the month of October. We know now that by selecting any voucher and entering into that, we will see the detail of the accounts being captured in the voucher type. Now you need not have to escape and select any other month. Instead, you can change the period from this screen itself. To change the period, F2 is to change the date, and in this blue arrow you will see Alt F2 for period. Click on period and you can select any month that you want to view for the payment vouchers. You can explore the right side button bar and F12 configure, which I have extensively covered in my earlier videos. Now to change to another voucher type, you really need not have to escape and select another voucher type. Just click on the voucher type on the right side button bar where the keyboard shortcut is F4. Click on voucher type and we have the list of all the voucher types, and we can select the intended voucher type that we want to view for this particular month. Let me click on receipt, enter, and you will see the receipt voucher for the month of October. This is the ease and flexibility of accessing any information at the speed of your thought. Let us now escape and go to the register listing. Let me now select sales register. Click on sales register. You will notice that contra, payment, and receipt voucher register provided statistical information. But whereas when we select sales register, we are viewing the monthly summary transaction value. The cursor is in the month of March. Let us enter into the month of March, and here we see the sales transactions for the month of March. Now to view the sales transactions for the entire year, all you have to do is just click on F2 and press spacebar to blank it out and press enter. We will get the list of all the transactions for the entire year. Before we explore the columnar report, there is another report which is very useful for summarized information of your sales detail for the entire year. Now let us put the cursor on the blue arrow here. Click on the blue arrow, and here we have this option called extract. The keyboard shortcut is Alt F8. Click on extract. Now the entire year's sales transaction has been summarized in few lines based on the ledgers involved in the sales voucher transaction. Now to view this report in detail, press Alt F5, and once we press Alt F5, you will notice that now under the subgroup of duties and taxes, there are two tax ledgers which have got exploded, and now we can view the details of each ledger in the summary information. We can select any ledger and drill down to view the transactions related to that ledger for the selected period. Let me select Prerana Enterprises, click on Prerana Enterprises, and we are now viewing there are 3 sales transactions that has been raised to Prerana Enterprises for the year 23-24. Now to change the view to voucher listing, keyboard shortcut is Control F8, or you can click on the blue arrow here, click here, and we will see Control F8 for vouchers. Click here and we will get the vouchers. Since we are viewing this in detailed format, we are getting the voucher listing also in detailed format. If you want to view this in condensed mode, all you have to do is press Alt F5 again, and now we are viewing in the condensed mode. Now let us explore Columnar. So the Columnar keyboard shortcut is F8, or you can click on Columnar here, and we have seen this additional columns which you want to enable or you don't want those options. You can, if you want any of this information to be added as part of your columnar report, you can go and make this as yes. I will leave it as it is, and I'm going to press Control A to save this configuration. We are now viewing this sales register for the entire year for all the parties that the sales have been made. In our previous video, we saw the same columnar report for a selected ledger. If you recall, it was for Amar Enterprises. This is for the entire year, the sales register in columnar. Again, if we want to see the detail with item and the quantity rate, all we have to do is press Alt F5, and we will now view this information with complete detail. To view the purchase register for the entire year, again come to the right hand side button bar, click on voucher type, and we select purchase, and now we get the columnar with all the configuration that we have done for sales columnar. We will see the information now for the purchase vouchers in the columnar format. In case if you want to add any column or you want to remove any column in the columnar report, all you have to do is click on columnar again, and we will get this configuration for the columns. Here you can enable or disable any column of your choice and press Control A, and the same will be effected in the columnar register. Let us come back to the registers. In the similar fashion, you can view journal registers, debit note registers, and credit note registers. I hope this video gives you an understanding of the different registers that are made available in Tally, and especially the sales register and the purchase register. The columnar register or the information is going to be very, very handy for all the businesses, especially when they are basically into the assessment of GST. The columnar register will give clear indication of the data that has been captured in the voucher of sales or purchases. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.